Hello. In case you are having trouble finding our Google form or you're just not quite sure what to do, I'm making this video so that I can help you find it so that we can make sure we get attendance done every day. Okay, so remember, our attendance in the morning will now be taken via Google form. We will no longer have our morning meetings. This was a district mandated change. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to my PowerSchool page, second grade, Miss Tinsley, district remote teacher. So this is the page that should normally pop up for you. So what I'm going to do from here is go to week 10. So I'm going to click on the little arrow, okay? So once I click on the little arrow, Monday, October 12th will show up. And you can use this for any day. So if you're taking attendance for Wednesday, you'll click on the Wednesday day. If you are looking for attendance next Tuesday, you'll go to that page. Okay, so morning attendance will always be on that page. So I'm going to click Monday, October 12th, and then it will always be the very first box. It will always say morning attendance, and then I will have a little note that says this is the Google form, and it'll be this link right here. So all I'm going to do is click on it, and I'll take a second, and then this page will pop up that says Miss Tinsley's morning attendance. Answer the questions below to be marked present for morning attendance. Okay, so this little red asterisk means required. So you need to type your name. So I would write Miss Tinsley. And I'm going to put my keyboard down. So I have my name, because if you don't put your name, then I can't tell who to mark present for attendance. Today is Monday, October 12th, so you have all of the week's days to choose from, but choose the day that we are on. How are you feeling today? And then what do you want me to know or help you with today? You do not need to do this one. This is just if there is something you want me to know or to help you with. And then you will just press this little orange button at the bottom that says submit. So I'm going to press submit, and then your response has been recorded. Okay? So you will use this link every single day. There will be a new one posted on each page. Okay? So you'll always find it in the first block. And that is how we will do our morning attendance. Let me know if you have any questions.